Think real estate investing means buying a house? Think again. I've got 5 ways to invest in real estate without owning property. Let's go.
Erst REITs.
REITs, real estate investment trusts, are like stocks that invest in real estate. You buy them in your brokerage account and earn dividends. Easy, hands-off, and accessible. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate projects for as little as $10. You're pooling funds with others and earning from rental income or appreciation. 3. Real estate ETFs. Real estate ETFs are bundles of REITs. They're low cost, diversified, and you can trade them like regular stocks. Great for long-term investors. 4. Note investing. Buy the mortgage, not the house. That's not investing. You earn as the borrower makes payments. Basically, you become the bank. 5. Airbnb co-hosting. Rent a place long-term, list it short-term on Airbnb and keep the profit, or co-host someone else's space and split earnings. No ownership needed, just hustle.